We really enjoyed our stay at the Incense Beachfront Villa. I wish we had another day here, but we gotta keep moving. It's a pretty toasty day. Eka has actually gotten rid of his jersey completely and is just wearing his merino base layer. Get it downhill.
We've arrived at the port of Munakata. This is Omishima Island, and the next plan of action is taking the ferry, and that's going to take us to the island of Okamura, and then from there we're going to connect and go to the little town of Mitarai, which is a bit of a historical town. So we'll see that in a bit. We've reached the little historical town of Mitarai, which is not so far away from Ocho port. I think that's how you say it. So we're gonna go look for the historical house. It's actually a doctor's house. We're gonna be staying in there tonight. Now I'm just using Google to figure out where we should be heading. It's there.
Okay.
We are at a historical house that is 100 years old. This used to be a former doctor's house, and now it has been converted to a guest house. And this is our room. The only place that's open in this whole entire island is a little okonomiyaki shop. And this is Hiroshima style.
May on top pa. Yeah. The guy, yung